What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. You're watching Tom Trips Out, and in this episode we're talking about Phnom Penh's brand new airport. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Well, hey everybody, come along with me. Take a trip to a place to fight without sea. Meet people, live foods, see the joy they bring, and how much it costs to try new things. Well, come and watch me on my trip out. My name's Tom, this is my trip out.
Alright, so we are out here. We're gonna walk north and head towards a breakfast spot for the end of the video, and on the way there I'll explain everything about the new airport and what's happening to the old airport and when. So the Phnom Penh International Airport is actually set to close down this year in September. And they had the date set for July, which is like right now actually. But just a couple of weeks ago, they pushed the date back to September now. And they will be shutting down that airport and moving all operations to a brand new airport. The new airport is called Techo International Airport. So the new airport, it's quite far away and it's not opened yet. So I found a lot of pictures and I'll tell you all about it right now. Techo is an international airport currently under construction in Kandal province of Cambodia. Located about 20 to 30 kilometers south of Phnom Penh, the first phase is expected to be operational by 2025 and will replace the existing Phnom Penh International Airport as the city's main aviation hub. It's planned to span over 2,600 hectares in Kandal province, and once completed, it will be the 9th largest airport in the world and designated as a 4F class airport. The entire project is expected to cost around 1.5 billion, and the airport's design is being carried out by the British company Foster & Partners, while construction is being undertaken by Chinese and European companies. Unfortunately, more than 400 families in Kandal, Stong and Bati districts were displaced by the airport's development. They were each given about $2,000. Why Techo, you ask? The name Techo is a title given to army commanders by the King of Cambodia and Tak Mao. The Prime Minister, Hun Sen, announced the new name on 9th of December 2021 while inspecting the new airport. He also stated that Techo shows the strength of the kingdom's monarchy. So just in my opinion from living here, here are some ways that I think this is going to really affect the daily life and the operations in Phnom Penh by moving the airport over there. If you've ever been to Phnom Penh, or you can see behind me here, there's always traffic. It's in many places, but it's always around the airport area. Around rush time is the craziest traffic. You can get stuck in a long traffic jam there, and it's everyone coming from that direction into the city. But now when they move the airport, it's going to be coming all from a different direction, like 30 kilometers south of the city instead. And with the new much larger capacity, more than double, it can handle more than double the capacity of passengers coming through. You'll have even more traffic, but all of a sudden coming from a different direction. And when you get really close to the city, there's just a few overpasses that are the only ways in, and those become really jammed at peak times. The new airport's going to really add to that, and it's already maxed up like at bad traffic times. So we'll see how that goes. On a more positive note though, I could see it bringing more jobs out in that area. Now there'll be like the tourist hub right in their backyard. They could have a refreshment stand or a tourist gift shop, or their drivers for the tuk-tuks and bringing people, taxiing people around to the airport, or as well as working in the airport. So it's going to bring a lot of opportunity to those people that live out 30 kilometers away from the city too. It's also going to take much longer now to get into the city when you land at the airport once they open the new one. So now it's like 4 times as far away. So this could be like an hour and a half into the city, or 2 hours, like if there was traffic. So some neighborhood local Khmer barbecue here right on the corner. So let's get up close and take a look. So this isn't the breakfast we're gonna get, but we can take a close look here. Fish. Those are frog back there. Just wanted to get a video. Fish. And I think in the frog they stuff it with like rice and pork and other stuff. Anyways, the spot on the corner here behind me, and if you've seen my videos or seen my lives or watched me for a while, you know I love my breakfast noodles. So it's like rice noodle soup with meat in it. I think this one they put pork. I usually like beef, but and that was breakfast. I had to put my own music in there because they were blasting radio songs in that restaurant.